problem. Alpha and beta are acute angles and cos 2 alpha is equal to 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 by 3 minus cos 2 beta. Then tan alpha cot beta is equal to. So for this problem, here what given here? Cos 2 alpha is equal to 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 by here 3 minus cos 2 beta. So use this is one denominator. You have to use componendo dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. So what? 1 minus cos 2 beta by 1 plus cos 2 beta. 1 minus cos 2 beta is equal to by this as 1 this as 1 plus cos 2 beta is equal to this is 3 minus cos 2 beta minus 3 cos 2 beta minus into minus plus 1 by here 3 minus cos 2 beta plus this is 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 is there. So here 1 minus cos 2 beta 1 minus cos 2 beta 1 minus cos 2 alpha. This is alpha. So 2 sin square alpha by 2 cos square alpha is equal to 3 minus 1 4 minus 4 cos 2 beta. This is 4 common 1 minus cos 2 beta. Denominator 3 minus 1 2 minus cos 2 beta plus 3 cos 2 beta, that is plus 2 cos 2 beta, 2 common, that is 1 plus cos 2 beta is there. 2 to ja, so we have this is 2 cancel, tan square alpha is equal to this is 2 into this value is sin square beta by this value is cos square beta. So tan square alpha is equal to 2 into tan square beta. Tan square alpha into cot square beta is equal to 2 into tan square beta into cot square beta. This value is 1. So tan square alpha into cot square beta is equal to 2. Tan alpha, here we want tan alpha cot alpha is equal to root 2. Here plus or minus 2 is there. In plus or minus 2 we take only positive value. Why? Because alpha comma beta are acute angles. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem tan theta by 2 is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Then cos square theta by 2 is equal to. Here we have tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is equal to this is 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Why? Because sin theta is cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So and take common LCM as sin theta, sin square theta. So but we have this is implies by cross multiplication sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 into this is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equal to 1 minus sin square theta as cos square theta. This is implies cos theta by 2 cancel. 2 into sin square theta by 2 is equal to cos square theta. This is implies 2 into 1 minus cos square theta by 2 equal to this value is 2 into cos square theta by 2 minus 1 whole square. This is implies 2 minus 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus 2 into cos square theta by 2. In the form of a minus b whole square, I expand in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So what we will have? You can write in the form of quadratic equation. This is 4 into cos power 4 theta by 2, and you can take into this side 2 cos square theta by 2. Already 2 is there. This is 4. So 2 cos square theta by 2. You take into this side positive. So minus 2 cos square theta by 2 is there, and you take this into this side. 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is 4 into cos square theta by 2 whole square minus 2 into cos square theta by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a is equal to what? 4, and b is equal to what? Minus 2. C is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to what? Cos square theta by 2. So cos square theta by 2 is equal to minus b minus of minus 2 plus or minus root over b square minus 2 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a, 4 into minus 1 by 2a, 2 into 4 is there. So cos square theta by 2 is equal to what? 4, minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root over 20 by 8 is there. So 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8 equal to, this is root 5 plus 1 by 4 is, therefore cos square theta by 2 is equal to what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 is the answer. So we have the answer. Here we have the problem. If 2 tan alpha by 2 is equal to tan beta by 2, then 3 plus 5 cos beta by 5 plus 3 cos beta is equal to. So here you square on both sides. 4 tan square alpha by 2 is equal to 4 tan square beta by 2 is there. 4 tan square alpha by 2 is equal to tan square beta by 2. We have this one. For this one, 3 plus 5 into cos beta is there, and cos beta is equal to what? Cos beta is equal to 1 minus tan square beta by 2 by 1 plus tan square beta by 2. So you can substitute here 3 plus 5 into 1 minus tan square beta by 2 by 1 plus tan square beta by 2. By denominator 5 plus 3 of 1 minus tan square beta by 2 by 1 plus tan square beta by 2. So you take LCM here. 3 of 1 plus tan square beta by 2 plus 5 of 1 minus tan square beta by 2 by denominator LCM here. 5 of 1 plus tan square beta by 2 plus 3 of 1 minus tan square beta by 2. Here denominator 1 plus tan square beta by 2, 1 plus tan square beta by 2 cancelled. So what we will have, this is implies 3 into 1 3, 5 into 1 5. So 3 plus 5 8 minus 3 tan square beta by 2 minus 5 tan square beta by 2. So what? Minus 3 tan plus 3 tan square minus, so minus 2 tan square beta by 2 by denominator 5 plus 3 8 plus this is 5 tan square beta by 2 minus 3 tan square beta by 2 plus 2 into tan square beta by 2. You have to multiply and divide with 2 or so what is tan square beta by 2 is equal to 4 tan square alpha by 2. So 8 minus 4 tan square alpha by 2 by here 8 plus already 2 is there, 2 into 4 8. This is also 8 tan square beta by 2 is equal to, from numerator 8 common, 1 minus tan square alpha by 2, denominator 8 common, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, alpha is there. So 8 cancel is equal to cos alpha. This value is what? Cos alpha. Cos beta is equal to 1 minus tan square beta by 2 by 1 plus tan square by 2. So 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 is what? Cos alpha. So we have option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the problem. Cosec alpha is equal to p plus q by p minus q. Cot theta by 2 plus pi by 4. So cosecant alpha is equal to p plus q by p minus q. But sin alpha is equal to what? P minus q by p plus q. Why? Because cosecant alpha, sin alpha are reciprocal to each other. And you take cot of pi by theta by 2 plus pi by 4 is equal to, this can be written as tan of pi by 2 minus of theta by 2 plus pi by 4. So this is what? This is tan of pi by 2 minus pi by 4. This is pi by 4 minus theta by 2. We know that tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to what? Root over 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. This is the formula. So here we have theta by 2 is there. Theta by 2 is there. Alpha. So this is alpha by 2. So this is alpha by 2. This is alpha by 2. This is alpha. This is alpha. This is alpha. So we have pi by 4 is equal to root over 1 minus alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus sin alpha by 1. This is also alpha. 1 plus sin alpha. But what is sin alpha? P plus q by p minus q. So you have to substitute here 1 minus p plus q by p minus q. P minus q by p plus q by 1 plus p plus q by p minus q. P minus q by p plus q you have to substitute here, equal to numerator p plus q minus p plus q by denominator p plus q plus p minus q. In numerator minus p plus p cancel, minus q plus q denominator cancel, root over 2q by 2p, 2 cancel, root over q by p is the answer. So we have option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 7 pi by 8 is there. So this can be written as, here cos power 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to cos power 4 of, this is pi minus pi by 8 is equal to what? Cos power 4 pi by 8. And you take this one, this is cos power 4 5 pi by 8 as cos power 4 of pi minus 3 pi by 8 is equal to what? This is cos power 4 3 pi by 8 value. So here you can write cos power pi by 8, this is cos power 7 pi by 8 as 2 into cos power 4 pi by 8 plus 2 into cos power 4 3 pi by 8 is there. So this can be written as 2 as common, cos power 4 pi by 8 plus this can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Okay, power this is power 4 cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Here LCM is 8 this is 4 pi minus pi, so 3 pi by 8 is equal to 2 into cos power 4 pi by 8 plus this as sin power 4 pi by 8 equal to what? This is 2 into this is cos square t pi by 8 plus sin square pi by 8 whole square minus 2 into cos pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8 into sin square pi by 8 is there. So this value cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we have 2 into 1 square 1 minus, so 2 into 1 2 minus 4 sin square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8. So is equal to 2 minus this is 2 sin theta cos theta. This is sin of 2 into pi by 8 whole square. This is 2 4 that. So what we can written as 2 minus square is there, sin pi by 4 remaining, sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square value 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 is the answer by simplification. So we have the option 4 is the answer. 3 by 2, sorry. Option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all.